See you decide, Sergio, to audition here for the Fast Zone.
Well, as I was telling you before, Francis Lieber is a really well-known respect designer here. So for me, being here is a pleasure. So for sure that one of the things that I haven't done is work with him yet. So for sure, I know that I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, what can you say about SB19 featuring here in the fashion?
Well, that's amazing. That's amazing. It's been a long time since they did it, so I'm quite excited to do it right now because it's one of the things that I haven't done already. You know, I've been doing a lot of collaboration, as you can see here in the Philippines, but I haven't worked with them. So I'm very excited.
What's your favorite song of SB19?
It's difficult to choose. It's difficult to choose because I'm not very familiar with the Tagalog title, but they have a lot of songs that are really good.
So you're aware they're big here in the Philippines.
Of course, because you know, I've been in a lot of events, you know, and I can hear the song of them, but I'm not really familiar with the subtitles in Tagalog yet. Yes.
Or they ask you to dance in the fashion.
To dance in the fashion. I don't think that nobody will ask me to dance in the fashion show. But if somebody asks me to dance in the fashion show, of course I will throw the secret moves. No problem.
Okay, just promote the upcoming show.
Of course, my beautiful people, come here, come here.
Yeah.
This
Yes.
you cannot do this. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, my beautiful people, thank you so much. My name is Sergio Sora, and it's Sergio Sora. Mahal kita, everybody. Boom!
Here for the Fast Zone.
Actually po, invite po ako ni agency namin, which is SMMA Prime. And this is actually my fourth modeling or fashion show. And syempre po, I want to express myself sa mga stage ko na gusto kong maglahad sa gantong stage.
What do you know about Francis Libier?
Ano po, I know Francis Libiran as a full-time na pag-model or sa mga like yung mga I know na he's director sa dito sa event na to, and also gusto kong matry yung mga ano niya, design niya, and yes, gusto ko i-try yung design niya kasi parang nabibili ko sobrang unique ko, gusto ko suot to, gusto ko i-try to parang.
And what can you say about the collaboration with SB19 and Francis Libier?
And actually, I'm a fan of SB19 po. And yes, sobrang excited po ako sana and makapasok po ako dito sa fashion show na to.
And since fan ka, ano yung mga favorite song mo ng SB?
SB19 po, my favorite song po is yung Ghetto, Dumb, yung Dongka, and actually yung Mapa po. Tsaka yung Time po, kasi sobrang heartful po yung ano na yung kanta na po nila.
They ask you to dance in the fashion show kayo ba? Kasi di ba, alam mo naman SB, di ba?
Yes.
Sila.
Of course, yes. And actually, I know naman na like di ako nagpo-practice sumayaw, pero I want to learn how to dance kung paano ano nila mag-bend nila. Kasi sobrang angas nila sa stage pag nanonood ako sa mga concert nila. And last time ako nanonood yung sa Taiwan, yung concert nila doon. And sobrang galing po talaga nila doon.
So hi Denver, so how was the experience doing the casting for who?
It was good and it's quick actually. It's really good and excited for the fashion show.
What made you decide to audition here in the Francis Libier Fast Zone?
Oh, syempre, because of Francis Lee, we all know that he has a huge name in the industry. That's why I auditioned and tried to get in somehow. Then luckily we got.
And what can you say about the collaboration of SB19 and
Yes, SB19 and Francis Lee would be so exciting because SB19, you know, sino ba naman di makakala sa kanila, and Francis Lee, so the collaboration is very huge, you know. Both names are huge names in the industry, so excited.
And how about SB19?
SB19, they're an artist like singing and dancing kasi, so I sing also and dance, so very fun din sila, fun nila ako, so very excited.
Do you have any favorite song of SB19?
Um, yung tumabigaw dyan ba yun? What's the name of that song? Dun ka. Yun. It's recently lang, di ba?
Yes,
Have you
yes.
tried learning to dance? That was like,
I've seen many, but I never tried. I want to try because, and they asked us, the models, if we can dance. So we have a hint like, oh my God, I think we're going to dance in I'm sorry if parang ano ko, nasabi ko, na-spoil ko, sorry. So maybe I'm excited to be part of it, to rap at the same time we dance in the SB19.
Fashion show.
Ayun po, kasi may collab daw po yung SB19, so I decided na sumali po ito sa modeling, sa casting, kasi ayun, it's a great opportunity rin po para sa aming mga model na makasama yung mga SB19.
Okay, and what do you know about Francis Libiran?
Francis Libran is isa siguro sa mga pinakamaganda rin yung ating showbiz. Kaya sumali po talaga po.
And how about SB19?
SB19, isa rin po sa mga sikat dito sa Philippines na boy group po.
Do you have any songs na gusto from SB19?
Gento.
Gento. And what can you say about the fashion of SB19 and the influence of Francis Libiran on their fashion?
Sorry?
What can you say about the fashion of SB19 and the influence of Mr. Francis Libiran on their fashion?
I think, yung influence ko nila is maganda po talaga kasi nga, isa siya sa mga pinakakilala rin kong fashion show sa Philippines and isa sa pinakamalaki daw po na fashion show rin.
If ever na kailangan mag-dance dito sa fashion show, are you willing?
Willing naman po.